Hi! In front of me is Oppo A96, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store and simply click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer, DevCheck, Hardware and System Info. Now just tap on Open. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!